everyone. Chapter 2, Video 2, because the first one was live. Hey, look at that joke. Why do lumberjacks make good...
Because natural logarithm.
This is Miss Ocean.
And Miss Lar.
And here we go. Yes, we find ourselves quite amazing.
Mm-hmm.
All right, we're evaluating now, people.
Yep.
So before we had an equal sign here. Now we don't. So now we're saying 5. Because remember, logs are exponents.
Log, yep. So when you say this, when you see an expression like this, you should say in your head the exponent on a 5 to get a 25, like along with the expression.
The exponent on a 5 to get to 25 is 2.
2.
Number 2.
Fraction.
Oh, goodness, I'm scared, but not really.
Scared.
I know it has to be a negative.
Yep, good one. So then what do you have to raise 2 to get 8? That sounds funny.
-3.
There you go.
Woo! Look at us go.
Yeah, you can set up an equation and then do common bases, which was last chapter, or you can just kind of think your way through it.
Yep. Thinking your way through it is my go-to.
Sometimes you might need your calculator.
3 to the what power is 243? 5.
Log base 5 of 1 over 125 is going to be -3.
Boom.
Ooh.
Again, the exponent on a 5 to get 1 over 125.
Ooh, this one's a good one.
What power on a 6 will make a 1?
Anything raised to the 0 is 1.
Okay, there we go.
Eee.
Oh, goodness. I definitely would need to do some guessing and checking for this one. There's no way that I'm just going to magically be like, clearly 9 to the 5th power is this. If I just got that right, it was totally...
Oh my god!
Guess and check. Guess and check.
She is on point. But you would literally grab your calculator and do 9 to the 4th, 9 to the 5th. You're trying to find that 59,049, and then you put the negative with it because you see 1 over that.
Look at us go. I'm so pumped that I just got that right.
Now, common logs, you have to remember, if there's no little base there, what's the exponent on a
10.
10 to get 10,000?
10 is implied.
And I love me some powers of 10 because all you got to do is count your zeros.
1, 2, 3, 4.
So x equals 4.
Look at us go. All right, number 8. 4 to the what power is 2? I'm confused.
So we might have to set up an equation on this one. So
we're going down. Oh, sorry. X equals 4.
All right, so we're going down. So this is probably where common bases will come into help.
Yes, I think so.
Can you raise 4 to get to,
2 squared.
2 squared is 4.
Power to a power, so that's 2x. Drop the base.
You get 2x equal 1.
Oh, it's a half.
There you go. So you can use what you learned last chapter.
Yeah, and then that should also make sense too, because remember, a half is power over root. It's just the square root. The square root of 4 is 2.
Yep. So now let's talk about that natural log. It's all about the organic log.
The organic, natural.
Just kidding. Okay, so remember, it's the exponent on an e to get an e.
This is base e. So ln of e is just 1.
Yep.
Remember, the natural log essentially undoes the e value.
Yep.
That's a good thing to know.
ln of e is 1. ln of e is 1.
So then ln of 1 would be...
All right, so what do you raise e to get to 1? Well, that'd be x equals 0.
0. Anything to the 0 is 1.
Okay.
Don't be afraid.
Now, these aren't as hard as they look. Remember, your little base there is e, so you're going to have e to the what power is e to the 5th?
E to the 5th power would be e to the 5th. And again, anytime you see that ln and the e, that's the answer. Notice that that's what's happening. Okay.
Now, if you see a radical, you should use your power over root just to switch it up. Okay, that's, I think I have my transitions are off.
Nope, that's okay.
It'll pop up again.
Either way, like we said, ln e, it undoes it. So basically, this radical sign is an exponent of a half. Or you can just do e to the x equals e to the 1/2, and then obviously when you drop your bases, you get a half.
I bet you it's going to pop up eventually.
It will.
But anyway, so this one we got a base of 2 raised to what exponent is, now, I see the root is 5, but is there a power in there?
I don't see one.
But I have a base on the left of 2, so I'm wondering, I bet.
That's
okay. Oh, there they are. Here they go.
There we go. Okay.
Stupid.
So I can switch it. So, okay, you could just write it 4 to the 1/5 and go that way. But if you realize that 4 can be a 2, you can just do it now. 2 squared. And then you have 2 to the 2/5 because of power over root.
Yep. So x equals 2/5.
Bam, people. Have a wonderful day. We will see you in class.